Magic Mask, AI, DaVinci Resolve. We want to take the background, remove it like a fake green screen, and then we can cut an object out and replace it with, for instance, a PowerPoint like I'm doing here. So sort of like a fake green screen using AI. So how do we do that? I'll teach you that in the next 60 seconds. So we go down, we select the clip we want, then we go down here, we click Fusion. When we have the Fusion page open, we go up to the top left, we click Effects. In Effects, we search for Magic Mask. We take the Magic Mask, we drag it down to our line down here, which is our clip. Then when we have that one, then we go up and we need to put dots on the object we want to remove or we want to keep, depending on which setting we pick. So I chose to keep myself in the frame. I'm Palle, by the way. And then we have several options. So the big mode options is faster, better. Faster is faster, better is better, but better is very, very slow using AI. So I'll get back to that in around 30 seconds. Then we have a few options. So you can go and like, I want this, I don't want this, I don't want that. And as we see on the picture, then the background is disappearing. And if I like the object, now I have like 4 dots, then it's fine. Then I can click this button and then it automatically removes the background. So it took around 11 minutes to remove the background in this clip. I was using a 5090 GPU. I have a Ryzen 9 CPU, and I have a 96 gigabyte of RAM. And then even though I have that, then it still took 11 minutes to Magic Mask a 30-second clip. That means if I have a 9-minute clip, then it would take me 3 hours to Magic Mask it. Then we go down, we click on the edit page, and boom, then the background after the time has passed is gone. And we can go in and we can put ourselves on top of a PowerPoint or whatever we want to do with this thing. So subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, give it a like. If you don't like it, give it a dislike. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye. There's a playlist to more videos up here.